In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Warp in Ubuntu operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Warp, then go on this warp.dev site. So let's click this. Now you can get this for Mac, and if I scroll down, so this you can get Mac, Windows and Linux. Linux, RPM and dev file. So let's use the dev file for Ubuntu or Debian. So here you are about to get the warp. Here you can see the file is now currently downloading. So warp terminal dev file total size 116 MB. So this is now currently downloading. So this done. Thereafter let's click on this join folder. So this you can get there. Now thereafter right click open terminal. Open terminal and thereafter the next is so here we need to use this command. First going to copy this all file name. Let's click on this rename and select this all, Control C to copy, and thereafter pasting this one, and there we need to use this command sudo dp kg -i for install. So with the help of this command we can install this dev file. Press enter, give their password. So selecting the previous, unpacking warp terminal, and this I think done. Thereafter let's write their warp, or let's use their killer command. Now thereafter let's go in this and here let's search warp. So there you can see warp that's come there, and let's minimize this. So welcome to warp, get started. Ascent built-in, get started, welcoming. Let's click on this get started. This here you can use first time, so that this coming there. Click on next. Click on next, customize third party, enable. Next, dark theme, continue. So this here Warp Mozilla Firefox is ready. You can get this, continue GitHub or this. Let's use the Google account. And now here you can see, after doing the login, here you can see that's Warp terminal that's come there. Now you can write any command there. Let's use ls and dir. So this directory that's present there, or here mk or date time going to write there. So today is this date,